Hello everyone inside world, welcome back to another video. I'm Jennifer.
I'm Richard.
I'm Christine.
I'm Michael.
I'm Baby Foreman.
And this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.
Like and subscribe.
Household goods have not yet arrived, so this is the perfect time to work on some things to renovate the house.
Before painting, we removed all faceplates.
These wire shells had to go.
Here we are preparing the wall to fill holes and cracks.
We watered down the joint compound and used the sponge to add texture over the holes as we patched.
We went with a one-coat paint. It's more expensive, but it did not require a second coat.
And now it is time to paint.
Once the paint dries, we search for spots that require touch-up or a second coat and mark it with frog tape.
And now to make shelves for the pantry.
As you see, we began by cutting out braces that we will attach to the wall for supporting the shelves.
Using anchors, we mounted the braces onto the wall.
I'm helping. Don't mind the green tape. This is because I can't cut things correctly and I sliced my finger open. We cut out all the shelves we will be installing.
In order to hide the braces, we are adding faceboards to each shelf. They will also help minimize bowing of the shelves.
When we bought the wood, it was slightly damp, so we had to let it dry for several days before we actually painted.
Now to tackle the linen closet with the hideous wire shelves.
Now we begin painting all the shelves.
washed out the cabinets with TSP cleaner, then removed the hardware and the cabinet doors to make painting easier.
This next process was very tedious. We applied 2 coats of primer and 2 coats of semi-gloss paint.
We hope you enjoyed this video as we had fun making it. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Say
Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, a cheese.
They're podcast.
Okay.